Hey guys, hello, what is up? Welcome to another Lazada style with me, Emily Quak. Okay, so this is the hair care product. It is a brand called VitalCare. Really nice, quite large bottle. This is 100 mils, and what it is actually Argan Oil. So it is an argan restoring treatment. So argan oil is a really restorative hair oil. It's going to repair your hair. It's going to make it look less dry. It's going to make it silkier and healthier. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to pump it out for you so that you can see what the texture is like. Yeah, so this is what it looks. It's nice and moisturizing, and then you want to just run it through your hair. So this is a leave-in treatment. You don't have to wash it off. It does help to nourish your hair throughout the entire day, and it has this really nice kind of vanilla citrus smell. It's really, really refreshing, and I think it's really nice. By the way, it's an Italian product. So VitalCare is an Italian brand, 100% authentic, 100% imported from Italy. It does work really, really well on dry and damaged hair. So if you have dry hair, damaged hair, if you want something that you can kind of use to work on it, don't worry, this is not sticky at all.